Hi everyone, I'm Alex, pro artist for Charlotte Tilbury. Let me show you how I take my makeup from day to night for a soft sunset look using Charlotte Tilbury's new Unreal Blush collection. So I'm taking the Unreal Blush in shade Rosy Glow and using this as the bottom layer of the sunset blush. I'll just do a stripe upwards towards the hairline. And then the shade Peachy Glow next. So I'm placing this directly above Rosy Glow. And then using a flat brush, I'm going to stipple that together. I'm now using Charlotte's Goldgasm highlighter wand and taking this right on top of the blush. And again, blend it all together. Now taking this look from day to night with Charlotte's eye palette in Sensual Sunset. And I'm taking the matte shade right through the crease of the eye. Same on the other side. And then to really lift the eyes, I'm taking the outer corner and I'm dragging that upwards towards the hairline. And then taking the same shade and a smaller brush, I'm going to run this right along the bottom lash line. I'm now taking the slightly darker shade of the matte and keeping this just on the outer corners of the eye. So this will really create that depth into the socket. And then using a fluffier brush, I'll really blend this out. And now for the best part, which is the pop shade. So using the pop shade on your finger, swipe this right across the lids. And then take your blender brush and really buff that out. And now to pair the lip to match the eye, I'm using more of a peachy tone lipstick. This shade is Runway Royalty and it has a lovely satin finish. So this is my finished summer sunset look, and these are the products that I would pair to match the blush.